Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with your very summer-like forecast starting today. Not quite summer yet officially. That starts on June 20th, but I'll tell you what, it feels like summer out there today. We've got sunshine. We've got very warm temperatures. Let's go ahead and take a look outside right now, and we are seeing some mid-level clouds moving in off the mountains. Temperatures right now outside the 9 News studios, 89 degrees. I still think it's going to make it up to 90 degrees over the next hour. I would say we'll likely get up to about 90 degrees, and then we'll start cooling down as we see those clouds increase as well. But the forecast is about 90 degrees for today in and around the metro area. We do have some isolated storms in the forecast as well. Better chance Wednesday through Friday. We do have about a 10% chance we'll see a brief gusty shower, possibly a weak storm in some areas, mainly across the southern mountains. But we are tracking the potential for some isolated storms, weaker storms north along I-25, closer to the Wyoming border as well. And we're looking at our first basically low to mid 90s weekend so far this season, so it is going to be a hot weekend ahead. Current temperatures, we are in the 80s and 90s across the plains. In the mountains, temperatures right now in the 60s, 70s, and some low 80s as well. Mostly sunny, 90 degrees is your forecast high for the metro area. I still think over the next hour we're going to make it up to 90 degrees. Temperatures again still warming ever so slightly. They will start to cool down in about, I'd say, about 45 minutes to an hour as we have increasing clouds, but still going to stay quite warm. We'll drop back down into the 80s this evening, but still going to remain quite warm through most of the evening into the overnight hours. Forecast highs for the state, again, 80s and 90s, we're basically almost there at this 2 o'clock hour. So tracking our futurecast, again, we're going to see the same kind of pattern that we saw yesterday with the showers and storms stronger across the southern mountains, although we could see, again, as you can see here, this is 5 o'clock, taking a look at our futurecast. Could see a quick storm passing through close to the Wyoming border. Fort Collins could hear a rumble of thunder, a quick gusty shower moving through. So the storms today, again, between about now and 8 o'clock, and very isolated in nature. But again, rumbles of thunder in and around Fort Collins, up across the northeast, and possibly a brief shower here in the metro area as we head into the evening hours. Here is a closer look at the metro. So this is 5:30. Again, rumbles of thunder in and around metro areas, some isolated showers, spotty showers in and around the Denver area as we head into the overnight hours, and then waking up to clear skies tomorrow. Tomorrow we're looking warm, a 20% chance we'll see a storm rumble through between about 2 and 7 o'clock in the evening. Mostly sunny skies, 88 degrees. That's your forecast high for tomorrow. So a little bit cooler, and that's because we have more clouds in the forecast for tomorrow. So we'll have more cloud coverage. Temperatures will be a few degrees cooler. Again, 88 your forecast high for the metro area. We're looking at 80s and 90s across the plains, 60s, 70s, and low 80s up in the mountains as well. Futurecast for tomorrow, a little bit different. This is at 1 o'clock. Tomorrow we do start to see some spotty showers and some isolated storms moving in. Again, these are weak storms in and around the metro area. This is 1 o'clock. They do become a bit stronger, so we could get some quick downpours about 3 o'clock. We're not expecting really any severe weather, but we could see some strong storms in and around the metro area, and some stronger storms, no question, out to the east. Some of those potentially we'll be tracking to see if there is any severe potential with those storms out across the eastern plains for tomorrow. And then once again, tomorrow night we clear out and waking up to calm conditions on Thursday. Weather pattern, we have high pressure building in. It is going to allow for a little bit of moisture to nudge under it until this weekend, where it really does intensify as we head into Saturday and Sunday, and that's what's going to bring us those very warm temperatures and mainly dry conditions, those highs getting up there in the 90s for the weekend. So again, for the next several days, we do have a chance for some afternoon showers and storms, about a 20% chance Wednesday, Thursday, about a 30% chance on Friday as well. Temperatures after today staying in the upper 80s through Friday, and then we get into the 90s, low to mid 90s both Saturday and Sunday. Your Father's Day forecast is looking beautiful, 93 degrees. We're staying hot on Monday. In fact, it looks like we're going to stay above normal temperature wise through the next week. Okay, Father's Day. It's coming up Sunday. If you forgot, it's going to be beautiful. 93 degrees, your forecast high, mostly sunny skies. It's going to be a great day to get outside and celebrate your dad. Denver rain chances, again, just want to revisit this because we have about a 10% chance this evening that we'll see just a quick gusty shower in and around the metro area. That chance goes up to about 20% for tomorrow, and then Thursday and Friday we're looking at a 30% chance for some afternoon showers or storms. Saturday, just a slight chance again for an isolated shower and storm. Sunday, again, we're looking mainly dry. It's going to be a beautiful day to get outside and do anything, I guess, that your dad wants to do, because it is Father's Day on Sunday. And I just want to point out the average first 90-degree day, a 90-plus degree day in Denver is June 10th. Today is June 10th, and I'm still thinking we're going to make it up to 90 degrees, but we'll keep you posted. Chief Meteorologist Kathy Saban is in. She'll have the latest on the forecast and your high temperatures at 3 o'clock, and you can always just tune in to 9 News Plus and the 9 News app, and we will keep you updated on the weather with constant updates throughout the day on your weather, on your temperatures, and on your high temperatures, as well as the chance for storm activity in your area. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.